Okay guys, welcome to the channel. Well, Sherry had her first crash on the TW200. Actually not too bad, but it's kind of a learning curve. She can tell you what actually caused it and what she did wrong.
Yep, I was coming up around this little corner right here and I stopped because I didn't feel comfortable cornering it the way I was, and I should have went with my gut instinct. My first instinct was to back up and then give it a try, but I didn't go with my gut instinct. I went ahead and just slowly tried to pull out of it, and when I did, I just got off on this, you can't see it, but there's a slope right here by this stump where I tumbled at. So yeah, I crashed it.
They'll be able to see it on the video. You can kind of see it, maybe not as much, but
we weren't actually recording it with our headgear or anything. We just happened to caught it with one of our cameras on the house.
Yeah.
So, but I did bruise he's got a picture. I did bruise the back of my knee a little bit. It's a little sore, but gotta keep riding. Don't judge me too hard.
We'll play the video right here. Okay.
Yeah, I knew I was going to go over. I was trying not to. What did I do to my bike? Still gas out.
My bike's winning down.
I'll be bruised.
Okay, as you can see there what she did. And you'll notice it kind of you can already tell she's turning into a biker, because what's one of the first things she says? Is my bike okay? Or how's my bike? What'd you say? Is my bike okay? How's my bike?
How's my bike or whatever.
She want to make sure that's what you do, when you crash. Like, how's my bike? The heck with me? Is my bike okay?
I did scratch the handlebar, the handguard up a little bit. First major injuries that I did to the bike.
It just got a little scuff on the seat, but it just wipe off, so it's nothing there, but just the handguard a little bit. Probably from that rock laying over there. There's a stick of wood sitting there with a rock on top of it, and that's what she kind of fell on. She stopped on that off camber, took off, and just leaned, probably tried to put that right foot down, and there's what happened. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully no more of these will happen. She got her first crash over with, so we're going to move on from that. We went riding afterwards, so she's been riding for a little bit afterwards, right after it, and that's the best way. Just get up and don't let the bike beat you and just go on and keep on riding.
Oh, I'm sure there'll be more.
Yep. Click thumbs up,
crashes.
subscribe, get you on the next one. Right on.